To transfer money from Safepal to Apple Pay, you need to follow a few steps. First, you need to link your bank account to Safepal, which will allow you to transfer your cryptocurrency to your bank account. Once you have your money in your bank account, you can then transfer it to Apple Pay. Start by opening the Safepal app and navigating to the account section. From there, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Sell option. Choose your bank account as the payment method and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and wait for the money to be transferred to your bank account. After the money is in your bank account, open the Apple Pay app and navigate to the Wallet section. Tap on the Add Money option and select your bank account as the funding source. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The money will then be added to your Apple Pay wallet. It is essential to note that transferring money from Safepal to Apple Pay may take a few days to complete, depending on the banking system and the cryptocurrency network. Additionally, you may be charged a small fee for the transfer, so it is crucial to check the fees before initiating the transaction. To avoid any issues during the transfer process, make sure your bank account and Apple Pay account are verified and up to date. Also, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Safepal account to cover the transfer amount. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily transfer money from Safepal to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience of using your money digitally.